In this tutorial, I'm going to walk you through the process of embedding a YouTube video into your It's Learning page. So here I've found the YouTube video that I want to embed in my page. You're going to select Share. You're going to select Embed. I'm going to make sure that my suggested videos are unchecked. These would be those videos that display at the end of the actual video that I want to play. I'm going to select Copy, and that's going to copy my iframe content, which I don't necessarily need to be concerned with what it is. I just need to know that I need to copy it. Then I'm going to come over to my It's Learning page. I'm going to add my content block for my YouTube. I'm going to select Source. I'm going to right click and paste, so that's that content that I just copied from YouTube. I'm going to select Source. If I want to be fancy, I can select that iframe and center it. And I'm going to say OK. And now my video displays right on my It's Learning page.